Mushrooms are not just ingredients, they are culinary powerhouses. Each type brings unique flavors, textures, and nutrition to your dishes. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Golden enoki mushrooms are delicate and slightly crunchy. They are perfect for soups, hot pots, and salads.
Okay.
Rich in antioxidants and low in calories, they boost immunity. Store them in a paper bag in the fridge for up to a week. Lion's mane mushrooms are meaty with a seafood-like texture. They are great, sautéed in butter or added to pasta. They support brain health and cognitive function thanks to their neuroprotective compounds. Keep them in a ventilated container in the fridge. Next are king oyster mushrooms. They have thick stems and a mild flavor. They are excellent grilled, roasted, or used as a plant-based substitute for scallops. They provide protein, fiber, and potassium. Wrap in a damp paper towel and refrigerate. Wood bluet mushrooms are firm and earthy. It's ideal for stir-fries or creamy sauces. They add color and flavor to your plate. They are rich in antioxidants and B vitamins. Store in a paper bag in the fridge. Shimeji mushrooms are slightly bitter but become sweet when cooked. It's perfect for soups, risottos, and stir-fries. They are high in protein and minerals. Keep them dry in the fridge to maintain texture. Chestnut mushrooms are versatile and nutty. They are excellent for roasting, sautéing, and in soups. Packed with B vitamins and selenium, they support metabolism and immunity. Store in a paper bag in the fridge. Horse mushrooms are similar to white button mushrooms, but firmer. Use them grilled, in stews, or roasted for a mild, nutty flavor. High in fiber and low in calories, they are perfect for healthy dishes. Keep them cool and dry. Lobster mushrooms have a unique, bright orange color and seafood-like flavor. Perfect in risottos, soups, or as a topping. They offer antioxidants and vitamin D. These are stored in a paper bag in the fridge. Black trumpet mushrooms are rich and smoky. Great for sauces, pasta dishes, or pan-fried. They are low in calories and high in fiber. Keep them dry and refrigerate. Chanterelle mushrooms have a delicate peppery flavor. Ideal for creamy dishes or scrambled eggs, they provide vitamin D and antioxidants. Store in a paper bag, never in plastic. Maitake mushrooms, also called hen of the woods, are earthy and robust. Fantastic in soups or stir-fries. They boost immunity and may support healthy blood sugar. Refrigerate loosely wrapped in paper. Cordyceps mushrooms are prized for their medicinal benefits, supporting energy and stamina. Use in teas, soups, or supplements. Keep in a cool, dry place. Morel mushrooms are nutty and meaty. Excellent in soups and pasta, pan-fried, and they provide antioxidants and vitamin D. Store fresh in a paper bag in the fridge. Cauliflower mushrooms are tender with a mild, nutty flavor. Great for soups or sautéed, they are high in protein and minerals. Refrigerate in a ventilated container. Indigo milky mushrooms are striking and mild, perfect for stir-fries and vegan dishes. They offer antioxidants and immune support. Store dry in the fridge. Amanita Caesar mushrooms are firm and flavorful, often used in European cuisine. Rich in nutrients and low in calories. Keep refrigerated, wrapped loosely. Each of these mushroom types adds unique flavors, textures, and health benefits to your meals. Experiment with cooking techniques, from roasting and sautéing to soups and salads. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, my book, The Gift of Less, is perfect for adults 50 who want to simplify life. Reduce stress and leave a meaningful legacy. We will see you in the next one.